What's better than an awesome price on a solid brass lifetime uplight? Even a better deal with an awesome Kichler lamp when you put them together. Hey everybody, Glenn at Link. Hey listen, spring is in the air. The awesome weather has me feeling good and feeling a little excited. So I'm gonna run a special for you. Everyone knows the Elitco bullet, solid brass, lifetime warranty, spring-loaded or fixed socket. I'm gonna pair it with an awesome Kichler MR16 4-watt or 7-watt. This is while supplies last, at least for the first week of April. That's not an April Fool's joke either. Guys, mix and match, beam spreads, spring-loaded or fixed socket, $30 with a 4-watt Kichler lamp, or $31 with a 7-watt Kichler lamp. Guys, get them while they're hot. When they're gone, they're gone. I bought a ton, but I got a great deal on them. I'm gonna let you guys take advantage of the savings, all right? Welcome to spring. Guys, thank you so much, and of course, call us first.